In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Substack font. If you want your publication to feel more on brand and easier to read, updating the font is a quick win. We'll walk through exactly where to find the typography controls inside Substack so you can switch fonts confidently and see the results right away. Start on your Substack dashboard. Look for the settings option. It's the hub for anything related to how your publication looks and works. Open settings, then head to the website area. This is where Substack groups all of the visual controls for your public site. Going here first ensures you're editing the design of your publication, not just a single post. Inside the website section, find and select Edit Theme. This opens the website editor where you can adjust colors, layout options, and the typography we're focusing on today. Think of it as your design studio. Any changes you explore here will show you live preview before you commit to them. Within the editor, click Profile. This area ties your publication's identity together, and it's the logical place for the fonts that readers will see across your pages. Opening Profile helps the editor surface brand-wide controls, including the typography panel we'll use in a moment. Next, choose Custom. Substack offers default theme presets, but Custom gives you direct control over the details. Switching to Custom unlocks the specific settings you need for fine-tuning your look, so you're not limited to a one-size-fits-all style. Now go to Typography. This section handles the text styling for your publication. It centralizes font choices so your site remains consistent across homepages, posts, and other views. If you're not sure where to begin, remember that readability comes first. Clean, legible fonts make longer posts easier on the eyes and encourage readers to stick with your writing. To change the font, click the current font name to open the drop-down list, then select the font you want. As you browse, pay attention to how letters render at paragraph sizes, not just in headings. You'll typically see an instant preview in the editor, which makes it easy to compare options side by side. Aim for a font that matches your voice, professional, casual, or somewhere in between, while maintaining strong contrast and clarity. If your audience reads mostly on mobile, favor fonts that stay crisp at smaller sizes. When the preview looks right and the text feels comfortable to read, that's it. You've updated your Substack font. A well-chosen typeface strengthens your brand and makes every post more inviting to your readers.